Kate's got your forecast. It's been a very busy last 2 days or so, especially tonight. Wow.
Tonight has been very, very busy. We've had not only the intense heat today, it felt like up to 104 degrees at one point, and then we had those heavy storms roll through, again with more flash flooding concerns, more high water rescues, some of them in the same areas that got hit about this time last week, last Thursday. So big problems outside tonight. Now tomorrow we'll have spotty showers and storms still with localized downpours, but it's really Friday and Saturday that the worst of the heat will hit. Let's take a look outside now. It's finally dried out. It was a really wet night for us here in Center City. We had some heavy thunderstorms roll through, a severe thunderstorm warning at one point, and as we showed you at the top of the broadcast, a number of damage reports, tree branches down, power lines down, and even some high water rescues back across Berks County. You can see right now most of the rain has moved off the coast. There is still one storm here over portions of Sussex County, which is going to kind of take that Cape May Lewes Ferry route and head up toward Cape May pretty quickly with some lightning there. Some showers moving into the Lehigh Valley. These are weakening, and I don't think we'll see much in the way of thunderstorm activity, but the rain is not quite done yet. Shifting out of Philadelphia, but another round of showers likely through the overnight hours. It's also quite steamy outside. Temps have dropped just a little bit thanks to the rain. We're back in the 70s, but the current dew point is 71. That puts us right in the oppressive range. And by Friday and Saturday, we may be talking about dew points in the mid-70s, which is downright insufferable. You want your dew point 60 or less if you can get it. That's really where you want to be for some comfort. What we're going to be feeling through the end of the week is basically the opposite of comfort. It is going to be downright dangerous. Downpours, still a strong storm. Again, most of those have moved on out. Tomorrow we'll look at a mix of sun and clouds with a few scattered showers and storms. The severe risk looks relatively low tomorrow. Just a marginal threat at best, but there will be some localized downpours with any one of these scattered storms tomorrow. The high about 90 degrees. So again, a couple scattered showers and storms overnight. We can't rule out a shower even tomorrow morning, but the best chances with the heating of the day through the afternoon and evening hours. And again, while I don't expect much in the way of severe weather, these storms can be locally heavy. Biggest threat, heavy rain and ponding, also flash flooding. That will clear out by tomorrow night, and then the sun comes back for Friday, but the excessive heat continues. Our excessive heat warning still in effect through Sunday for Philadelphia and nearby suburbs. I do expect more heat advisories to be issued for outlying areas, and likely eventually that excessive heat warning to be expanded, because take a look at what we'll be facing. Friday feeling like 110, Saturday feeling like 115, and Sunday feeling like 110. Tomorrow is not even a walk in the park either. It'll feel like near 100 degrees, but on Saturday the actual high may hit 100. That would break a record, and again it would be our first triple-digit day since 2012. 7 years it's been. So the worst of the heat is Saturday. Make some plans. Stay cool this weekend, even if it's just the hose in the backyard to keep you cool. 98 on Sunday. Then a cold front Monday will bring some much-needed relief next week. But we still got a lot to get through.
We sure do. Much-needed relief indeed. Okay, Kate, thanks so much.